Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will sharing my experience how to make the kaftan dress for the beginner that never make dress. The first, this shape like this. The sample to be already making finish. The first step, we will time cutting and measurement. Like this, we take the sample dress that which we like. The first we fold to be to side same balance. Then we fold the cloth to be four piece like this. This outside we keep inside like this, opposite, then inside to be outside for easy drawing and stitching or sewing. This the central for middle the dress like this. The first step, we make line same the size according our sample. We make the black crayon to make easily. This for the next half inch enough. This for the first we make same size all, follow the sample till like this till finish all the color black till end. Then the second, for the line cutting for easy, we make line early. This for the next 1 yard, a half yard, then this 1 yard or 1.5 maximal 1.5 yard. We make dot, then we make straight line, then follow all this also from the black line. We make 1 yard or 1.5. If this is up 1.5, so all to be 1.5 yard. If make for the saving space, make 1 yard, so all 1 yard. After that, finish, make the green line. This for time cutting, we cut this the green line, we cut this, follow, then to be correct size coming cause was measuring. Then the second, we remove inside this for one side for back side, one side for in front of. For in front of, this is in front of, we will fold like this. We make line this for the next in front of. Then we cut this. We keep space a little for sewing. Time cutting finish. After cutting, I will show the finally. After cutting the first sewing, we do next part. Next, we make the small cloth, then we make join like this. After this finish, this we fold like this, then we do a little stitching here slowly. This inside I make with the needle like this. This the line for the stitching only follow this line. This is I keep outside the line, so when stitching no need to remove the needle like this. After all, I make with the needle like this, fold this outside. Then outside we keep the like sample. This make from the soldier. This the line for stitching. See a little line. See, this is stitching only follow this, then easily to be coming same size like sample. From the stitching, we take 7.5 inch. This in this, then 7 inch from left side, same 7 inch from right side. Then this 7.5 inch. This is for the hand. For the hand, this the armpit. This for the armpit. This start from here. We do stitching. We do sewing. This follow this from the up 7.5. This for armpit. This is for keep the like this, like bed. This we make line all we follow 7 yard till end the cloth like this. This in the end down, don't stitching till finish, we keep 7 yard down so will not easy broken. This same side, left right side same like that. This we do stitching in outside, we do stitching till this till down, left side same, right side same. Then this, after that from the next we keep, this is like this. This from the neck we keep 14 inch, we make line, we measurement, make dot. This also right side, we measurement, make dot 14 inch. Then we make a straight line, left side till right side like this. Then we keep left side, don't do anything, around 2.5 yard or 3 yard for put the rubber. After keep cap this thread, we do stitching from outside, from this side, this armpit till down there finish. Then we do from this keep gap 2.5 yard till 3 yard, we keep rubber, we do stitching inside like this. We keep rubber for make rubber. This is do stitching early till strong. Then after that we pull like that, like this rubber till this, till end this. This also keep right side, if left 2.5 yard, so right side 2.5 yard. If left 3 yard, so 3 yard. Then do stitching here till finish right side till end. This right side down also same, we keep gap 7 yard from down, don't do stitching, so this will not easy to broken. This I keep line this till this 7 yard. After finish, then we do stitching, we fold this side like this small, do by stitching like this, we fold 1 2 small, we make do stitching till finish, so will coming like this whole arm, this for hand, this down for armpit, this, then this like this the stitching the thread, this from up before 7.5 inch, then this 2.5 inch, then put rubber like this same from the stitching outside. This we do stitching like this outside, we keep line, then easily 2.5 yard till 2.5 inch till 3 inch enough. This thread we keep gap, no do anything. This rubber after 2.5 inch, then put rubber this, then to be coming like this. This is in able to open like this till this down, this a little open like this 7 inch, then to be no easy to broken. This will close when walking, unable to see. Also this we make round, so in the corner will not coming in the floor, easy if go toilet will not wet. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to like. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.